How to create stickers on Canva. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create stickers using canva.com. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to canva.com and you will land on this platform right here. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to edit presentations, create logos, stickers, flyers, social media posts, and much more. Today I'll show you how to create stickers with Canva for free. So let's get started with the process. Once you get on canva.com, you can create your own account for free with your simple Google account. After that, you will find all of these different options. In order to create a sticker, what you can do is you can go for a custom size from here, or in the search bar, you can search for stickers. You can select if you want a sticker chart or square stickers. I'm going to search for this one. And here we have hundreds of different templates on Canva. You can see how cool stickers we can create with Canva in different niches and categories. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a design with the square sticker, and this will actually give me the layout, the size of the sticker that we should go for. In the search bar, you can again search for sticker, and now you will select that what kind of sticker you are looking for. If you want a square sticker, then you can select the square one. If you're looking for a car sticker, a circle one, then you will select this one. So each of the sticker has its own width and length, so you can check the one that you're looking for. I want to create a square sticker, so I'm gonna go with this one. So this is our layout right here, our canvas where we will work. Here we have some of the templates that we can use or get inspiration from. So I will be creating 2 stickers today to show you as an example. Let's create a Halloween related sticker first. First of all, click right here and you will select the background color. So I'm gonna go with an orange color for my sticker. On Canva, we have templates, elements, upload, text, style, and logos. We mostly work in elements right here because elements allow us to add lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos and videos, audio, chart, table, frame, and grids to our canvas right here. When you are creating a sticker, you will be adding different graphics or text to your sticker. So first of all, I'm gonna switch to the text right here and add my text. We can also select the fonts from here, or we can just add the text and then select the font. So I'm going to add a heading, and this is my text right here. Let's customize our text. Select the text, click right here, and change the line spacing a little bit. Let's make it bold. Now select the font. In font, I'm going to go for a spooky font just for our text right here. So let's find it. We get a lot of different fonts on Canva. Let's select this one. Now we will just adjust our text a little bit to fit it in, and here it is. So it looks good, or I can just make it like a little bit smaller. Perfect. So I'll place it right here, and now we can go to the elements section, and I'm gonna go to the graphics. And let's search for a ghost. Okay, perfect. So we have all of these here. I'm gonna go ahead and select this one right here. It is for free. Let's make it a little bigger and place it in the middle. Perfect. Now let's add some bats. We have them. I'm gonna go ahead and select these right here and place them here. Let's add a spider web. So you can search for any element you are looking for on Canva, and it will give you thousands of different options. Let's actually add this blue. We can change the color for any element. I'm gonna make it black and place it right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click and send it backwards. Okay, so I think this looks enough and my sticker is ready. And this is how I have created my own sticker for the Halloween, and you can also do this. My sticker is ready. I'm gonna click on share, click on download, and you can download it as PNG, JPG, TIFF, or any other format. So I'm gonna download it as PNG, and there you go. My sticker has been downloaded. You can create stickers like this on Canva for free really easily. If I show you one more sticker with the template that we have. So let's say you want to create something like this. You will select the template and then you can change everything inside it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my text right here, and we can actually go for a font. So I'm going to go to the text right here, and I'm going to go with this right here. Select it. Of course, let's change the color. and what it says. So this is how you can add your text to a template and create your stickers. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.